Real quick, guys, before this video starts, I just wanted to let y'all know that I have created a new Discord, and the link is in the description if you want to join future events. Like, I plan on hosting a drag racing event soon and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's in the description, so go ahead and join the Discord, guys. Now, let's get into the video. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're doing a $10,000 budget build for rock climbing, and we're about to hit some trails. Sand Boss here is going to lead the way. So yeah, guys, let's get right into it. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. Sand Boss is going to lead the way. I'm kind of just going to follow behind here. We built this old Toyota here. We put a little nitrous kit on it here. T4 Spire. Let's try to get over this here. $2,000 don't, or I mean, $10,000 don't get you very far in this game. Let's see. Wait for them here. Alright, let's wait for them. Alright, go. Oh, there's barriers. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I connected it to him. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me connect it behind here. He made it across. I just kind of got stuck. There we go. Now we got it. Let's go up this way. This old Toyota does good on these like things right here. Yep. Anybody need a winch? Someone go back there and get Live Fast. I guess I'll go back. I'll go back and get him. Oh, okay, he got it. All right, now we're gonna have trouble getting back up here. Now, here we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, we made it. Let's wait for them there. Let's wait for them here. Looks like one of them got there. I think Live Fast got too long of a wheelbase truck is his problem. All right. Oh. Can someone winch to me here or something? I just need a little. There we go. We're good now. This winch is coming in handy, I tell you. Yeah, let me get up here. I'll hook to me here. Oh, no, you got it. Gotta get over the beans. I think that. Uh-oh. I'm I'm wedged here. Hold on. He's got hooked to me so I can get out of this. Uh-oh. Looks like we got one of the boys fell down here. Let's see if we can't hook to him. Let's see if we can hook to him and drag him up. Uh-oh. Right. Lift fast. You hooked to me here. I think he was the right way. Man, what is happening? Why is this happening right now? Holy crap. I'm like, there we go. Where's Sandboss go? Oh, are you stuck? You need a back. I need to pull you backwards and then forwards. All right, hold on, let me pull you back here. Uh-oh. There we go. Now let me go a little bit more. I'm trying. Oh, okay. Well, now I'm in a hole. No, you went the right way. We'll be down there here in a second. We're waiting on Sandboss to get back up here. Yeah, I'm in good shape here. A little Toyota that could. Yeah, guys. So on this budget build, we bought the trucks and then spent 10K on upgrades. It's kind of how we did it. Uh-oh, guys, I need help. Help! 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 I might have it. I'm so glad I spent the money on this winch instead of other stuff. This winch is coming in handy. It's all right. I'm here. I'm. Oh Lord, you tread. I upgraded my travel. You know, you could have made your tires bigger without even paying for them. Okay. All right, now we got our leader back. This is sketchy here. Oh, this is cool. This little valley. Are you are you stuck up here? Oh, looks like he's lagged out. Shoot. All right, I'm gonna respawn here. All right, I'm gonna climb this here. Let's see how it does on like a wall. Oh yeah, it does good on that. Let's see what it does on this mud here. All right, here we go right here. And then we go here. Let's see. This mud's kind of rough on it. Let's see. Okay, I am kind of stuck here. So far we learned it's good on rocks, but it's not good on mud. Let's see what it does on these pipes here. It ain't got no power unless I use my nitrous either. I even tuned the gearing as best I could, and it's still like really, really slow. Which is only made like 210 horsepower, which is more than any 12 I've ever seen. There we go. We're back down. It made it up the pipes just fine though. Alrighty, guys. So this is what a 10K will get you in offroad outlaws. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.